glad you could join me today. I'm starting by checking these paints, making sure they're all the same consistency. They look great. Oops. Okay, those look good. I'm going to start by laying down my base coat. Tried and true method of getting your paint to move across the canvas like you want it to. Please excuse the sorry state of this workstation, my tray. I'm without a car at the moment. Had a little accident last week, and I am out of butcher paper and a lot of things, and so my workstation is showing it badly. Let's see if that will get it. I think it will. Side's good. There's glue in it. Alright. That'll do it. Got a couple of drips on my canvas, but I think that's okay. Yeah, I can see that. Okay. I'm using a hairdryer. I'm doing what Paul Stark calls a paint bomb, and others are calling a Dutch pour. Just going to experiment here. I'm really just doing this on the fly. I have no plan. I should have, but I don't. And I have plenty of white over there, so I'm not worried about it. So far, so good. I am so happy with it. It's like the quickest painting I've ever done, by far. But if I keep messing with it just for the sake of, well, that didn't take long enough, I'm going to mess it up and I'm going to be angry. Let me bring you down for a close-up. I'm sorry you missed most of that, but it turned out beautiful anyway. Thank you for being there. I'll see you next time. Bye.